Hello. Okay. We are going to upload this outfit. We're going to skin it. It's Slink, Cinnamon, Chai, and Chai. And you should have received a folder, something like this. Maybe after you unpack it, you'll see that. And you want to look for the universal DAE files that Bento Buddy exported. These will work for your Maya, Prettiest Max, Blender, and we are going to import one into Blender using Bento Buddy so that we get a nice rig. And I think we'll use this one here. So let's go do that now. Import DevKit. This one here. Now, because you imported it as a dev kit, you don't need a preset. It's all ready to go. You just need your garment. And I made one for this test. Lock the garment. You can have multiple. Lock the dev kit body and transfer the weights. And that puts you in pose mode so you can test. Now, if you don't want to see all these bones, you can hide them here. Let's export this. Just right here, there's a big button there, and we're done. You can see I've already done that. I'll just replace the outfit. Add this one. Remove that one. And I'll just give it a different color. Oops. Alright, and I didn't spend any time, obviously, so saw that I didn't do any fun painting. So there's going to be distortions, but yeah, works well enough. Have fun.